I'm Gabby Gastronomy. I want to welcome you back to my channel. Today on the menu, we're going to be making eggplant parmesan and some spaghetti. I want to dive right into the ingredients. So we're going to make fresh tomato sauce. I know there's a lot of debate on what goes into it and how long to cook it, but today this recipe is really great, really easy, and it's for beginners. We have crushed tomatoes. I try to get no salt added because I want to add my own salt content to it. We have tomato paste. Always buy tomato paste in this kind of packaging. I don't know the scientific reason why it tastes better in this because it is in the metal, but it just tastes better than a regular mini can. And I know that for a fact. So just remember that. And then all that goes into your tomato sauce is chopped yellow onion, fresh chopped garlic. Don't bother making this if you're gonna use the jarred garlic because you can never get that pungent flavor. Then we have chopped fresh basil, and this is a little different of an ingredient, but I found it really balances out the sauce, kind of the same properties as a bay leaf. So this is parsley, and it kind of evens the sauce. Then we're gonna add some salt, pepper, and sugar to get the metallic taste out of the diced tomato, the crushed tomatoes. Don't use diced and don't use whole tomatoes. The reason being diced doesn't have the same flavor, and whole tomatoes, you have to run them through a mill or really stew them for a long time, or if you just want a really hearty rustic sauce. But I don't want mine to be so rustic and hearty. I want mine to be really smooth. So let's get started. Okay, so I just finished frying all of my eggplant. My sauce has been simmering for about 40 minutes and I cut up all my cheese. Now it's time to assemble. After I got all the ingredients and I got home, I realized I did not buy the ricotta cheese. So typically we would stack it with a layer of ricotta cheese in the middle, but since I can't go to the store so often because of the virus going on, we're just going to omit it. So let's start. And just take a handful or a spoonful. You just spread some across the bottom, and the only purpose of this is so it does not burn. Okay. Then you take I like to put the big ones at the bottom, so everyone gets a big piece. And it's kind of just like doing a puzzle, seeing which ones fit. Okay, I think we could fit one more. Perfect, so we got 6 in the bottom. We're gonna line it with some cheese. Just little cheese. Okay. More sauce. About 1 spoonful each. Okay, spread. I think this one needs a little bit more. Okay, maybe this one too. Okay, now it's time to stack again. That one might go there. Okay, ooh, that's really hot. Okay, now time for the cheese again. I don't recommend this if you're on a diet. Okay, some more. So now we have it in at 350. We're gonna leave it in there for about 25 minutes. Then if the cheese isn't crispy and bubbly, we'll broil it for 5, but we'll see when we get there. Okay, it's go time. I think that looks really nice. Looks gorgeous. Okay.